Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will talk about GEODNET miner, which is the most profitable miner for me this year. First, let's see some basic facts about GeoDNet. So, uh, it is basically a satellite miner. Uh, Currently, there are around 6,500 miners in 136 countries and almost 4,000 cities. What is it about? It is roof-mounted stations that earn Geodet tokens. It is a low-power satellite miner. It's just like any other router or helium miner or something like that. There are hexes and super hexes. It is the best when you install the miner in empty hex. So let's first see about location. What do you need to have? You need to have for good signal, for good earnings, for maximum earnings per day, which are 48 Geodet tokens. You need to have a great position with open sky view, so no obstacles. Here on this picture is just shown what do you need to have. So you put on the top of your roof and no obstacles under 10 degrees. No trees, no buildings, no houses, because you will not have the good reception of the signal. Okay, these are the hexes. Here you can see the most of, on this map, the most of the miners are in the Europe, and something less in USA. So these blue are super hexes where you can earn, let's see, up to 4 times of Geo tokens. So when you stake the Geo tokens, then you here currently in this one you get 2 times multiplier. Let's see, here you get 1 because I see more miners are here. Also these circles with purple circle around blue one is NFT. So what is NFT? NFT miner is when you have in 30 days you need to have more than 98%. So let's see, just a sec. Rolling reward rate. So this one has 99.92%. So in 30 days you must have more than 98% rolling reward rate, and then you get this NFT protection. If you are first in this hex, then you are protected forever, and you get maximum earnings no matter how many miners join after you. So what's the best in this normal hex? In the normal hex is best if there are one NFT miner and one non-NFT miner, because both of them will get the maximum rewards at this moment it is 48 geo tokens per day. This will be possible to earn until the end of this month, so until 30 of June. And then after that there will be halving, and the maximum earnings from 1st July will be 24 geo tokens per day. Let's say if here is one NFT and two non-NFTs, the other two will split the reward. So each of them will get only 24, but that's not so profitable. That's why I'm saying that it's the best that only two miners are in the one hex. That's the best for GEODNET, and that's the best for the people who buy miners. So if you see there are already two miners in your hex, maybe it's the best to put it to install it somewhere else at your friend's family, or you just need to ask people, hey, can I maybe put at your house, if you don't mind. I mean, it doesn't spend much electricity, and I think they wouldn't mind if you use their house or building to install the miner. So on daily, it's the earnings are 48 geo tokens. So how much can you earn? Today it's the price 90 cents. Let's say if I will calculate as 20, so 48 20 cents daily, you get something less than $10, so it's really profitable. The cost of the miner is, if you buy from this site and use my code, which is in the description, you will get $60 of discount. So you go to the site Easy Now, hardware, Hyfix, GNS base station. The price is $695. Add to cart. Go to cart. In this box you get everything you need. So the miner, the cable, antenna, and everything. Under the coupon code you write as arrive, apply coupon, and see the discount is calculated, so you will pay the miner only $635. So if I would appreciate if you could use the code, you will get discount. I will get something a little of provision from the Easy Now. So around $10 daily in 30 days, you will get almost $300. So you will get your investment back in 2 months, 2 to 3 months. I suppose the price should go up because it's a good project, and already in March, the price was 33 cents. In April 29, I suppose it will go up. So now earnings are 48 geo tokens until the halving on 30 June, and after that there will be rewards, will be 24 tokens. So I think it's a good project. You can get your investment really fast, so in 2 or 3 months. I think I sold almost all. Yeah, you can use MetaMask wallet for receiving your rewards. You just install it as add-on here in Explorer, or you can have your wallet. I recommend buying a Tangent wallet. So also there is a discount code for the Tangent wallet. If you want a Ledger, I have also discount code for Ledger for Ngrave. You can see under the description my all codes for discount. So basically that would be that. So the price is 695. If you use my code for $60 of discount, you will pay just 635. The delivery is currently, I think, 4 to 6 weeks of waiting. So that's for this site easy now. So think about it. I'm satisfied for now with the earnings, with the miner, with all. And please subscribe and comment. And if you want to ask something, you can just ask. I will answer. And that would be that. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.